Hi my friend, I'm going to share what kind of material I use to make my paintings. So this is Neha Srivastav and you are watching my channel Star Art Gallery. Let's talk about color first. Starting from the acrylic color, I'm going to show what kind of acrylic color I use. And yes, a disclaimer, it's not any advertising video. I am not going to have any money out of sharing my products. Okay, it's just for learning purpose. This is Camel, okay, Camel brand, artistic acrylic color, 12 shades, okay. This is not a new packet. I am using this packet, 40 ml tube, and let me open it. Okay, see. This is the full packet, okay, and it is gel medium and it is retarder. You can search for them what is gel medium and retarder in an acrylic color works, okay, and if you don't know, I can make a separate video for that. Let me show you what kind of paper you can use with it. You can use a stretch canvas, okay, and you can use a canvas roll, all made up of clothes, okay, cotton clothes. Instead of spending lot of money on stretch canvas and cotton clothes, if you are new, then use these Brusco artistic acrylic paper. I have found it online, okay. I am not advertising this either, and this kind of paper it is 7 centimeter cross 5 centimeter, okay, and it is good if you are a beginner and want to learn acrylic, and it is good for oil colors also. Okay, so if you want to learn acrylic colors and want a canvas feel, then go for these small canvas size paper. This is 400 GSM cold press paper and they are good. You can find them online as well as offline. I have purchased this online, okay. I'm not going to share from which site okay, let me tell you, I have brought it from Amazon, okay, and you can buy it from any site you want to, okay. Now acrylic colors are good on paper as well, so you can draw them on, you can use them on any kind of paper you have, but I would suggest that buy such kind of paper from any local art shop, okay, and if you find them, then order it online also. I have brought it from local art shop, okay. So in this kind of paper you can make such beautiful paintings right from the acrylic colors. And yes, if you are buying acrylic color and you are totally new for acrylic color, definitely you are new if you are watching this video, right? So buy a 20 ml packet, right, from Camel. If you are buying from Camel, then buy a 20 ml packet and go for even a smaller one if there is available. Now let's talk about some watercolor. So this is the packet again from Camel. Most of the product are from Camel, as I use it when I was child. I use it Camel only. They are 20 ml packet. I'm using it. They are also not new. Okay. So you can buy any watercolor available in your local shop, or you can buy it online. I'm not recommending Camel only, but yes, they are good. And now talk about some oil color. So this is oil color again from Camel, artist oil color, 20 ml tube, and it's a new packet. I haven't used it much, matlab not totally new, but I haven't used it much. Okay, so you can buy this packet also from online or offline if you want to learn some oil painting. This painting is an oil painting of mine. And if you want to use oil color, then you need some oil medium, okay. Water will not work with oil definitely. So it is again from Camel, linseed oil. Better purchase it from the local shop. It would be cheap from a local shop. Now I want to show, if you don't want to use that small size acrylic paper, then you can go for this Brusco artistic acrylic color, A4 size paper, GSM, 400 GSM and cold press, right? With this kind of paper you can make sorry, with this kind of paper you can make this kind of painting, right? So they are good. See it from, is it visible? I don't know. Okay, so let's talk about some brushes. Ta-da! They are S67 series round brush, also from Camlin. and S67 series flat brush. Okay, if you are totally new to this painting world, then I won't recommend that buy all these brushes. Okay, I would recommend that just buy the 1 number round brush and 3 number flat brush. I would just recommend that buy these two brushes if you are totally new. Okay, totally new for this painting world. And now talk about some knife. Not that knife. What I am talking about is these kind of painting knives. Okay, if you want to learn how to draw from these painting knives, then only purchase them. Otherwise, they are not required if you are totally new. Okay, and you can buy anyone as per your choice. For lastly, I would recommend who are totally new, please do not buy these hi-fi colors and these hi-fi papers. I would recommend buy a drawing notebook. You can buy any drawing notebook available in the market. There are various type of varieties and with various type of paper qualities. And if you want to know from my side, then buy such type of drawing copy. Okay. Yeah, the small children drawing copy. Okay, I have made these two paintings for my video on this drawing copy as well. Good enough? Okay, so you can buy this kind of drawing copy from the local shop, right? And as I said, buy only these two types of brush with this kind of notebook, and then buy any local watercolor, and the Rangila is good, right? It is very good in fact. It is only 20 rupees, 10 rupees for this 6 set and 20 rupees for the whole 12 set. So I would recommend that 10 rupees for these 6 set and 30 rupees for this brush and 30 rupees for this notebook. It's only under 100 rupees. So if you want to follow your passion, then go for these things and start where you are. So if you have any passion, there is nothing which can stop you. So now I would say, if you want to start from where you are and what you have. Do not go for very expensive colors or very expensive canvases. Just start with a drawing copy, a local watercolor, and just 2 set of brushes, all under rupees 100. So if you have learned from my video and enjoy it, then definitely hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more useful information. Now the bonus one. Bonus is that acrylic color dry fast. Do not pour more color. Okay, only pour or use a small amount of color out of the tube. Follow your passion and grow with it. Thank you.